How to upload SD video on WhatsApp status. Here's a step-by-step guide. To start off, open the WhatsApp on your phone to begin the process. Next, open any chat from your list. Then tap the camera icon located at the bottom of the screen. At this point, you have two options: to record a fresh video or to use an existing video. To upload a video from your device, tap the gallery icon at the bottom left and select a video from your phone gallery. Once you have chosen your video, hit the checkmark icon. Now look at the top of the screen and click on the SD button and set the video quality to SD. This is the key step that ensures your video will be uploaded in high definition quality. After selecting SD, tap the send button to proceed. Furthermore, click on the forward icon beside the video and choose My Status. Finally, hit the send button again to upload your SD video directly to your WhatsApp status. And that's it. This is how to upload SD video on WhatsApp status.